On Ekpa review the names of people working for Uzodinma to kill Biafras in Imo State. Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I beg go as they come inside this channel, don't forget to share the video and don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you'll be the first person to get the update as they hot. No be small thing they happen. No, they say kasala don't boss and water don't pass Gary. Hey, oh yeah, stay tuned. We will bring you the latest update we will get for hand today. Uzodinma shock as Simon Ekpa called the names of people working for him. He said those people he mentioned their name are the ones who is working against and killing Biafrans in Imo State. No be smart, you know. We are going to play you the video for you to watch and listen. If your name dey inside though, no be smart, come any name. As you watch the video finish, then we'll come back, come analyze them more better. Stay tuned and watch the video.
So this is going to be very brief. And the announcement I'm going to do this evening has to do with those enablers in Imo State. If you know that you are one of the enablers of the genocide going on in Biafra against Biafra people by Uzodinma, listening very attentively. We've compiled some of those who have been enabler and helping and aiding Uzodinma, the killings going on in Imo State, and which must stop from tonight. We are warning these people to desist from aiding Uzodinma to continue to commit the atrocities and commit war crime in Biafra land. One is Mr. Okenze. Mr. Okenze, you hail from Ngokpala. This night is the last warning. You must stop and desist from aiding Uzodinma, aiding the killings of Biafrans in Imo State. You must desist from that. Number 2 person is, and then after that, I'm going to make sure, I'm going to post this this particular, I'm going to post this particular list, so nobody will say he didn't hear or she didn't hear it. Okay. Okenze of Ngokpala, Kajetan Duke, from tonight, Biafrans are asking you to desist from aiding the killings in Biafra land, with Uzodinma using you. Bede Eke, from tonight, Biafra people are giving you the last warning. You must desist from aiding and abetting the genocide going on against Biafra people. Kizito Onoha, Biafrans are giving you tonight from tonight to desist from aiding and abetting the killings and genocide that Uzodinma is committing against Biafrans in Imo State. Obina Egu, Biafrans are giving you tonight to stop and desist from aiding and abetting genocide that is being committed in Imo State by Uzodinma. Jude Okebu, Biafrans are giving you tonight as a last warning to desist from aiding and abetting the genocide of Biafrans in Imo State by Uzodinma. Emma Nwogo, Biafrans are giving you today as the last day to desist from the killings and abetting and aiding the Uzodinma genocide in Imo State. Emma Chinwe Obinna, Biafrans are giving you tonight as a last warning to desist from aiding and abetting the genocide against Biafra people in Imo State. We have the SAs, the GOC Nwadike, you are the SA on media engagement of the murderer Uzodinma. From tonight, Biafra people are telling you to desist from aiding and abetting the genocide against Biafra people as Uzodinma is being committing this particular crime. Collins Opuruzo, you are the SA to Uzodinma on strategic communication. From tonight, Biafra people are giving you the last warning to desist from aiding and abetting the genocide against Biafra in Imo State. The last person on this list is Nzere Emeana. Nzere Emeana, you are the SA on Ohajoku Center. The Biafra people are telling you that from tonight, you have to desist from aiding, abetting the genocide against Biafra, as Hope Uzodinma is in charge of this particular criminal organization that you are serving. Tonight, Biafra are giving all of you last warning. If after tomorrow you continue to be an enabler or continue to aid and abet the genocide against Biafra people, because you are there aiding and abetting Hope Uzodinma to commit this crime, while he is in charge from Abuja, he is not in Imo State, and all of you know that. So this particular warning is coming from the Biafra Republic government in exile and the Biafra de facto government and the Biafra Liberation Army, the ESN, and the Biafra Black Marine Naval Base from Peninsula, Bakassi Peninsula. It is a joint warning from every forces of Biafra against all of you that you must desist from aiding and abetting the killings of Biafras in Imo State. So haven't announced this. In the next few minutes, we are going to post it on our Twitter. And like we said, our stand is very, very clear. If the United Kingdom want to open anything in Enugu State, they must understand there is a government in charge. The government is in exile, and they must come to terms with us. We are not going to beg anybody to do that, but our actions and activities in that region of Biafra will tell the story by itself. So it is not us. But when you are serious, you will know that there is no environment, there will be no peace anywhere until you know that we are also in charge of the government of Biafra and we are operating this government from exile. If you think that you are going to have peace, let us see how you are going to enjoy this peace in any place you are in Biafra land. You can never enjoy peace. And let me tell you, you do not solve problem by engaging only one side. If you want to solve the problem that is happening, especially on the upsurge of the agitators of Biafra, you need to bring everybody to the table. But of course, you don't want that. You know that we are smarter than Nigeria terrorist Fulanis, and you are scared of what we are going to do with our natural resources. And one thing is that gone are those days that we are looking at your face or looking at you as a United Kingdom, big United Kingdom, and when we mention your name, we are all going to run and hide our head. It is not anymore. This is a civilization. We have embraced it. We have embraced this civilization to the maximum. And you cannot intimidate us with your worship or whatever you are bringing to Biafra land. We are going to put measures, a very strict measures, to make sure that that thing that you are bringing to Biafra with all these trailers will be checkmated. And our Biafra Liberation Army and Intelligence Unit will be taking charge to make sure that nothing enters Biafra land from anywhere in Nigeria. Nothing. No weapon will enter Biafra land. We are going to intercept it. And I want to share one story to
Welcome back. As you have watched that video and heard everything that Simon Ekpa said in this particular video, as you all can know that Imo State has become a hot zone since this all this Potonongo men know, but so many things are going on in Imo State, especially high level of kidnapping in Imo State is also alarming. And this is when the people say that who they choose is not who they see. For example, those who order things online, you see something very beautiful, when the thing arrive home, you will see another different thing, which is what you order and what they bring to you. So the Imo State people, in this time, I want to say you people are very, very strong, because a lot of things have gone on in Imo State, and the governor claim that people love him. Yes, people must love you, but in other way there must be a people. Especially if majority don't love you, you go nowhere. So the killing in Imo State should stop immediately, and that is our own concern. Here, what Simon Ekpa said here, for that one to stop the killing in Imo State, I fully support, because it's too much. We can't continue like this. If you are governor of the state, you know the best thing to do. You have to win the heart of the people you are governing. you have to listen to the people who you are governing. So you don't do things on your own, because when you do things on your own, you only left by few people. When you left by few people, and the majority, as in this whole state, youth, everyone are not with you, you must surely fail. This is what we don't understand. Let me tell you one story. You know why people, maybe you are just passing one road today, and maybe that road have a pothole. Everybody, they will snap it and send it to the authority. They have a platform where they send it. Before you wake up in the morning, it may be a full road though, because of one pothole, and they will do a full road. Before you wake up in the morning, you wake up seeing another new road. But you people, once you start building small thing, you start snapping it picture, posting it everywhere, so people will clap for you. Mentality of a black man. So you people only travel to their country to save money, but you don't go there to learn the good thing they are doing for their people. And if they send those pictures to that platform of the government, and 1 week government did not do anything, the protest will go on to that person to resign, and definitely the person who is in charge will resign immediately. But when you tell somebody to resign, they will use DSS, use army, use everything, start looking for you. Mentality of black man. If it is Nnamdi Kanu, he will say, Ndi Shoji. This is where you people reason. Okay, my people, we will leave am for una hand though. May una talk, waiting, may una contribute for waiting Simon Ekpa talk. If you fully support him for the things wey dey do, abeg may you no forget to write support. If you get your own agreement wey you dey do, may you still drop am below. We wan know wetin be your agreement. Okay, my people, we go see you for the next update.